Hey, what's up guys? The Fiery Flame here, and I'm back again with another video, and I want to review my Roblox toys. I got my Roblox toys at Walmart and at Toys R Us. I got the pizza one at Walmart, and I got Mr. Bling Bling at Toys R Us, and I got the blind bag one from Toys R Us, and this blind bag one came with a skateboard. But I don't know where it is. So yeah, I got the Mr. Bling Bling and the blind bag one from Toys R Us during their closing sale. And I got my Roblox, and my mom got my Roblox toy set for my birthday at Walmart. So yeah. And I need to find the code that came with Mr. Bling Bling. So hold on, give me some time to find it, guys. I bet I won't, guys. And you guys probably know that I won't. But I'm just gonna do it again. Wow, I found a SpongeBob Happy Meal toy. So I guess I'm gonna have to keep fishing. Okay, no secret code in there. I don't think I'm ever gonna find it, guys, but I'm gonna try to. You guys see, I'm gonna try to. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go now, guys.